How to use DVR on Hulu Live TV. Launch the Hulu app on your smart TV, mobile device, or streaming device and log into your Hulu Plus Live TV account. Access the Live TV section to see all currently airing channels and programs. Browser search to find the live show, movie, or event you want to record. Select the program to open its details page. Look for and tap the plus icon or the Add to My Stuff button to add the program to your recordings. Press the red record button to start scheduling the recording. If it is a series, you can choose to record series to capture all future episodes automatically. Manage your recordings anytime by going to the library section and selecting recordings. To delete a recording, open the library, find the recorded show and select delete recording. Enjoy watching your recorded shows anytime from the cloud DVR stored safely online for up to 9 months while your subscription lasts. Subscribe.